Hello guys, let's solve this question together. We have open bracket 2 to the power of x squared minus 5 close bracket x is equal to 9. And we asked to find the value of x. Now, we're going to do, what we have to do here is to take the square root of both sides. So we say square root 2x squared minus 5, this is in brackets, is equal to square root of 9. Now this square cancel the square root. Okay, now we have 2x squared minus 5 is equal to square root of 9 is what? Plus or minus 3. Okay, now we have 2x squared minus 5 is equal to 3, or 2x squared minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Now for this first side, we can see 2x squared is equal to 3 plus 5. When the negative crosses the equality sign, it becomes a positive sign. So we have 2x squared is equal to 8. Okay, now you see that here is base of 2, and we can convert this to the base of 2. So let's convert it with the base of 2. 2x squared is equal to 2 to the power of 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give you 8. Now at this point, we have a common base, so this base can cancel each other. So now we're left with x squared is equal to 3. Here, we introduce our square root and say this is equal to square root of 3. Square cancel the square root. So now here we have x is equal to plus or minus root 3 as this has on this side. So now here we have 2x squared is equal to negative 3 plus 5. That's negative 3 plus 5 is same thing as 5 minus 3. That is what? 2. So we have 2x squared is equal to 2. Now this is already in the same base, but let us put a power to this. 2x squared is equal to 2 to the power of 1. That's the same thing as 2. Now this cancel this. Okay, now we have x squared is equal to 1. Introduce square root, root 1. Square cancel the square root, so x is equal to plus or minus root 1. Therefore, now we can see that we have two answers here and two answers here. So our answer here are, therefore, x is equal to what? Root 3, negative root 3, and root 1 and negative. Our answer becomes, you can just put it in short form as root 3 or plus or minus root 1. That is our answer. Okay, bye bye.